Hey y'all. Hi. So we about to do some Halloween makeup today, y'all. Let's get into it. I'm super excited. We're gonna do Lola Bunny with a twist. So make sure you stay tuned. First and foremost, I need to make sure I moisturize my face. And I'm gonna go in with some Biola moisturizer. I think I'm gonna go with my go-to foundation, which is the Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte. Is that girl. So we gonna go in with her. I'm going in with my two go-to concealers, Juvia's Place and Born This Way concealer. First, Juvia's Place. This is in the shade number 10. And then Born This Way is in the shade Sand. And I'm gonna take a little bit of this as a brightening concealer. Just a little bit. Bitch, I want your head in a jar on my nightstand. I'm about to do a TikTok. Transition. Make sure y'all stay tuned for TikTok. And then I'm gonna use a cream bronzer from Morphe. Do a contour, jawline, cheeks, a little bit on my forehead. Can't really see this side. Nose, contour. Ooh, makeup about to eat down, period. And then I'm gonna blend out that bronzer. Cream contour, cream bronzer. Blend it out. I'm gonna go in with this spray on my face before I blend everything out. Now blend. Okay, so now that I have everything nice and blended, it's time to go in with some setting powder. And I'm using translucent Laura Mercier, that girl. Makeup about to eat. Eat. Don't you play with me. Eat. Don't you play with me, hey. I want to use the Morphe blush palette. This is the Cheek Thrills palette, Cabana Club. So I'm going in with the cream on the top, and then I'm gonna go in with the powder. So now I'm going in with the NYX Buttermelt bronzer. This one is Butter Match, and she's pigmented, so be careful. What the lip combo gonna be? NYX lip pencil. This is in shade Espresso. This has been my go-to lip combo recently. This is from Glam. It's like a nude color. So y'all, I ended up getting a ponytail from TikTok. I was sent this ponytail to do a review, so let's go ahead and do a review. Okay, got my ponytail. It's cute. It's getting cute. Fresh out that package. Okay, y'all, so I got my ponytail. It's so cute. Love it. Love this color. Super cute. I'm gonna put in the description bar the link to this ponytail if you want to get this ponytail. Super quick and easy hairstyle. Yes, love it. Okay, y'all, so now we about to get into the blood of it all. The blood. Put some of the lipstick on the fork, and I'm gonna make it seem like I got cut. Ooh, it's lit! Should I do one like on my chest, like I got scratched? Like, doom. Yeah. Yep. And then I'm gonna go in with some black. So then now I'm just gonna go in with like little splats. Splats all around. Putting a little bit of white in there too, just to like make it pop more. Yeah, ate it up, ate it up, ate it up.